Hey all, welcome to the next session on private equity. So today we'll discuss what is 20/80 profit split in private equity and how PE fund profits shared. So who take the biggest slice of PE fund profit? It's not who expect. The 80% of the profit goes to the LP, 20% after the carried interest goes to the LP. GP also charge 2% management fee whether the fund succeeds or not. Here is a twist. If the fund fail, LP lose money but GP collect their fees as they are managing the fund or taking care of all the operation part. So incentive GP to maximize the return, that is a GP objective. 80% of fund profits goes to LP while 20% goes to GP. Example, 100 million profit means LP get 80 million and GP get 20 million. GP win when LP win. Go to the GP deserve 20%. Comment yes or no. We'll meet you on the next part. If you have anything, just ping me on the comment part. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you on the next part.